Hello everyone, we're doing the results video, so you'll get to find out who's winner. The winner's already been notified, so if you're wondering if you're a winner already, check your email address that's attached to your YouTube account. You should have a comment from me via YouTube. That gets you started in receiving your goods. All the goods come directly from the vendors. You don't have to wait on me shipping stuff out. So we'll have 3 winners today. So we'll have winner number 1, gets a 10-piece MoBillyGates set. Winner number 2, same thing. 10-piece MoBillyGates set. Jeez, there it is. Winner number 3 gets a Mobula 6 from Good Venture Drones and gets a 6-piece gate set from MoBillyGates. So we'll have 3 winners. You might think maybe being picked number 3 is the best. Maybe. Depends on where you sit with the hoop fleet. I've got the random YouTube comment picker. Before we get there, I want to read a couple of the comments. This time, I went kind of backwards. I went from the newest first. Typically, I'll go over to the actual video, and I'll just kind of look and see what's been posted and kind of randomly go through it. But I just kind of went through a few here at the end. And I thought FPV SE, kind of a cheesy dad joke here. Why do drones get so many pictures of mermaids? They're aerial photographers. Good joke. I thought it was funny, but, you know, I'm kind of dorky that way. Taz SPV says, Nick Burns, great to see this amazing giveaway. Those gates look amazing. I've been flying indoors a lot lately, and these gates would certainly brighten up the fun tenfold. Great content, brother. Can't wait to see the next video. James Laria. If I mispronounce anyone's name, please don't take offense. I'm just really poor at linguistics. Thanks for all the great reviews. As always, I need to pick up some of these gates regardless. So you're sold on gates, apparently. Happy Vapes. I'm going to summarize here a little bit. Happy Vapes got started with line of sight planes and collective pitch helicopters, and he's trying to get his son into quads now. So great. I hope you much success. I haven't been able to get any of my kids really into drones. My youngest likes the tiny hoovers. If you guys were around then, it's where you would take a tiny hoop and make it kind of into a fan boat. You can run around on the floor. Good fun. She likes that. She also likes the Emax Interceptor, which is a car with an FPV camera in it. I have to watch out sometimes. She'll turn that on and I'll be out back flying, and all of a sudden I'm seeing the inside of the house in my goggles. I generally can avoid that if I remember to put myself on Race Band 8. Generally. If you don't happen to win, it's probably good to know that MoBillyGates has a sale going on right now. You can get an entire 10-piece set for $149. That's a lot of money. I get that. So if that's too much and you still want gates, they have a 6-piece set that I'm looking on here that is on sale for $39. Those don't light up. So something to note there is you won't have the fun flashing LED stuff going on there, but it's a great set to get started with. A 6-piece set, 2 pathway gates. The rest are the hex gates. So make sure you go over there if you're looking at the gates, MoBillyGates.com. Check out the sales. The sales are going on, I believe, through Christmas. So end of the day, Christmas, the sale will stop. So if you don't win and you're winning some gates, that's the place to go. Let's get down to the desk and take a look and see who's going to be our randomly drawn winners. Here we are at the video for the giveaway, the MoBillyGates. And you can see I've got a comment in there. Obviously, if I am somehow selected, that will not be the case. You can see we've got 742 comments. If we go over to the random YouTube comment picker, you'll see we have 721. I did filter out duplicate users. Unfortunately, we had 1 or 2 conversations that were going on down there with the owner of MoBillyGates.com, so I had to kind of do that this way, and so I didn't throw those things out. Obviously, this will filter out the duplicate users, so the user will only be viable once. So you can see there we've got a difference of about 21 with the number of different comments between comments and unique commenters. So we've got everything loaded up. We go scroll down here and we click the start. Remember, we're doing 3. Good luck, everyone. Fog FPV. Now, Fog, I presume F period, O period, G period has got to stand for something. Might be your name, might be your FPV group, your city. So I'm curious as to what that might be. Please tell me if you care to. And his comment is, I do enjoy your show. A lot of good info, exclamation point. Thank you very much, Fog. Check your inbox. Make sure you are checking your email for the YouTube account that it's attached to. And you should have a comment from me, from YouTube, telling you how to go about receiving your winnings. And we're going to pick another winner. It's kind of fun how they have a little trophy there from a comment picker. That's kind of fun. It also gives the date. on the video there. Pigeon. I would love gates. I've been flying through the bottom of my trampoline and want gates so I can fly inside during the winter. Awesome. That seems like someone who actually flies and is looking for some gates to have some more flying fun. So you also receive a 10-piece MoBillyGates set. Make sure, again, you're checking your YouTube associated email account. And we're going to a third and final winner. Here it is. Drum roll. Oh, that was terrible. Epicness 357. Looks like he's got an avatar with actual goggles on there. A little hard to tell. Might be some googly eyes on the front there. His comment, gates would be fantastic for the winter. Not only do you get gates, Epicness 357, you also get a Mobility 6 from Good Venture Drones. So, pretty awesome. Make sure everyone's checking your associated email account, and you need to get with me. I will put my email address here on screen for anyone who might be wondering. I do get some fakers from time to time, and I've got a really good system, so if you're faking, you'll go to lots of effort to try to fool me, but it won't work. Every YouTube account, and I'll just tell you, every YouTube account has a YouTube account specific ID, and it's a rather long string of characters. So if I go into your comment and I right click and open that in a new tab, it has your YouTube ID right in the URL. So if someone's trying to fake, if they copy your avatar, they copy any content you might have from your channel, anything like that, and I ask them, go leave a comment on this video, and then when they do that, if they do that, because typically the fakers know at that point, they're like, oh, I've been had, I'm not going to get away with it, and then I click their name in that, and it opens their channel. Even if you don't have any content, it'll have the unique ID right there, and it won't match. So I don't think it's worth your time to try to fake if you have been trying to fake. Please, if you're one of my 3 winners, you should have a comment from YouTube from me, and it gets you started on your winnings. I never know how to really wrap these things up. I appreciate everybody who came and play. I hope the 3 people who win have a great time with their gates. And Epicness 357, I hope you have a wonderful time with your new Mobula 6 when it does arrive. These are relatively big boxes. The 10-piece box, it's big, so hopefully you have a spot where you can get a box and it'll be safely received. Maybe you want to think about, if you can, have it shipped to your work. You know, it's the time of year porch pirates are swiping stuff. Just do whatever you can to have a safe and fun holiday, and make sure you receive your winnings when they do. I appreciate everybody playing and coming and leaving a comment, and I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.